guys, my name is Mefilatosi and I'm bringing insights for the Euro Gold and Nasdaq this morning. So here are the events we have today for Euro and Dollar, and the main one really will be the PCE numbers and the final GDP quarterly. That's expected to release by 1:30. GDP expected to take up by 3.1%. GDP expected to remain the same. Also, general parent claim is a medium impact news right now. GDP price index quarterly, also a medium impact news. So one that will be the action moment. Going to the chart, we have the euro being very bearish. We're just tumbling downwards. On the 1 hour, we retested previous week's current week's value area low. That's from where we rejected, and now we flip the day bearish. On the 15 minutes chart, you see that we did have actually tried long in this morning, somewhere around here. I was trying to counter trade. There was an idea I had in mind about setup I've seen in the past, but it didn't work. I lost money on that, and I was quick to close, but the thing flushed very fast. I couldn't even close where I was supposed to close. So that is the only trade I've taken this morning. And right now we're trading below VWAP. If trade below VWAP and we are retested even on the 1 hour, and right now we are bearish. We flipped 1 hour bullish right now, and mostly I'll be looking for a short continuation at around this daily open region at around 1.36, around 1.3590 to 1.36. Maybe later in the session. That's ideally where I would want to be short. Sorry, I'm yawning again. I didn't sleep very well. I've been having cramps. So try that would be for a short on zero. If we do have a strong rejection at around 1.36, 1.3590. If we do clean back above you, maybe just better to leave this one alone. Because to move, if you wanted to move it to that move in the morning as values established higher than the previous day's value. So this one is a bit, maybe a bit tricky today. So except we get a rejection as well here, I'm just going to be leaving it alone. Gold is bearish as well. So we have now below 4,000 on gold. It's the first time in a while this year we really established below 4,000. 1 hour time frame, we have it consolidating, and 15 minutes time frame, actually have this 1 hour candle engulf the previous candle, and now we are flushing back again. I would have loved to long this, to short this, sorry. With this highly candle, but I do expect a little bit more of action before I take my shot. I'll be looking at this one closely as the previous day's low. It's not very far. I'm so tired. I did not sleep well at all. And maybe that's one of the reasons why I made a mistake. I'm not so open to trying this morning, but just giving you guys an idea. The ideal shot right now would be to wait, actually, as I'm seeing something right here. And the fact that we come back and retest the daily open at the value area high, create a high there, wait for VWAP to break, then take it to the downside. That would be the ideal trade. But that is dependent on how this 8 o'clock candle signals this London open right now. So just something to keep in mind. And for the Nasdaq just got suddenly bullish around 8 o'clock yesterday. Yes, that was the turnaround for yesterday. So daily on Nasdaq, we have a rejection. Remember, which we are currently trading above the high of. On the 1 hour, half price claiming the previous week retracing above previous week low, and we are not trading above viewer for the week, which is bullish. 15 minutes time frame right now is showing us a value is available value. So maybe a retest of VPOC or viewer could be in play during new RTH. That's the only time I trade Nasdaq. So that will be all for this morning. I'm sorry I couldn't give you much. Really, I can do trade. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.